Welcome to ARGOS RPA Plus. This video will show you how you can personalize your toolbox. Step number 1, click on this cogwheel at the bottom to show the toolbox editing screen. Step number 2, check or uncheck these checkboxes to each one of these tools to decide which tool you want to show on your personalized toolbox. You can also change the appearance of tool order by moving around these icons by dragging and dropping using your mouse just like this. Once you're done editing, just click on this Save button, and then lastly clicking on this Minimize arrow to show your personalized toolbox.